Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Computer Lab Space. Don't forget to check my previous videos on C programming. I have explained basic structure of C program with an example, types of files in C, and also how to compile and execute C program. Today, we will learn basic C concepts, which includes character set and tokens. Okay, let's start. Okay, before getting started with C, first, we will know as an example how we are going to learn English language. We will learn alphabets first, then we are going to slowly start with words like two-letter word, three-letter words. Then together we are going to start with sentences, then paragraphs. Similar way, if you want to learn C programming language, we need to know alphabets, digits, special symbols. Then we will learn what do you mean by variables, keywords, constants, then data types we will learn, how to make use of header files, how we are going to make use of variables to declare a variable. Then we will slowly learn how to write a logic, that is what instructions we are going to learn. Then all together we will start to write program, isn't it? So these are the steps in learning C programming language. So for that, the basic concept is the C character set. C character set. So what do you mean by character here? Character generally denotes any alphabet. Character generally denotes any alphabet, digit, digit or special symbol C, which is used to represent information, For example, alphabets we already know, capital letter A to Z, then small letter A to Z, then digits 0 to 9, then special symbols we have at symbol, percentage symbol, dollar symbol, ash symbol, then open flower bracket, closed flower bracket, open curly bracket, closed curly bracket, rectangular brackets, all these, whatever the special symbols you have in your keyboard, all comes under special symbols. Then white spaces, yes, this includes blank spaces, horizontal tab, vertical tab, then carriage return where it is generally used to reset device position to the beginning of the line of text by making use of alt plus enter, right? Then form feed it is nothing but a page break generally used in printer where content which follows is just part of a new page, that's all. So it is generally used in printer. Then new line, we are going to press enter to get the new line. Then horizontal tab we are going to use. Then vertical tab also can be considered as a white space. So this is what character set includes. Then tokens. Tokens, it is nothing but a smallest element of a program. We call it as a token. These tokens should be meaningful to the compiler, to the C compiler. We have 5 different types of tokens, but in few textbooks they have added with special symbols also as C token. So that's why I have included here. Special symbols already you are aware of, right? So I don't explain again. Then operators itself, it is a biggest concept where we are going to learn with arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators. So I will do a separate video on operators. Then strings, again it is a big concept where I will do separate video for even strings also. We will learn keywords, identifiers, constants. Okay. So keywords are nothing but reserved words. Why it is called that as reserved words? Because it is having a predefined meaning. What do you mean by predefined meaning? For example, if I have printer, what is the purpose of having printer? To take the printout, right? Scanner. Fine, we are going to convert hard copy to the soft copy by making use of the scanner to scan the document. That means The printer, scanner, or anything you take, any object which is known to you, you take. All these are performing a specific task and which is already predefined. Washing machine to wash clothes, right? So that is how here we have certain keywords in the C compiler where it is having a predefined meaning and which performs a specific task, We have 32 keywords in C. We have 32 keywords in C, and these are the 32 keywords, which are listed below here. Okay, all these, whether it is a break, case, care, then if, for, size of, everything, it is used for to perform a specific task only. For example, a simple example, size of, it is to find out the size of a variable or size of the data type. For example, if I make use of int, size of followed by int. Int is a data type. I will explain that in the next video. If you're already aware of that, you will be knowing this. So int can allocate 4 bytes of memory. How to know whether it is allocating 4 bytes of memory? I can make use of size of int in a printf statement where it is going to display as with the 4 bytes of memory. Or if I just declare int a variable, then I'm making use of size of a, so it is going to give 4 bytes of memory. So this is what a predefined meaning which performs a specific task, and that is what we are going to call it as keyword. And if you observe here, very important point, if you observe here, all the keywords are in lowercase letters only. That means whatever the C compiler is using, these keywords are all in a lowercase letters. For example, if I write if like this by making use of capital letter I, this cannot be a keyword. This cannot be a keyword. Is it clear? It is making use of only lowercase letters. So all keywords should be written in lowercase letters. So this is what you need to keep in mind. And one more thing is user cannot change the meaning of these keywords. Okay, user cannot change the meaning of these keywords. Is it clear? I hope it is clear. Since the video will become long, I will continue the next topic, that is identifier, in the next video. If you like my teaching, subscribe to my computer lab space, as well as click on the like button and bell icon to get the notification. Thank you. Have a good day.